Hi everyone, my name is Philip. I'm a machine learning engineer at Hugging Face and also the tech lead for our partnership with AWS. I will show you in a few minutes how you can deploy Hugging Face transformers from the Hugging Face hub to Amazon SageMaker for inference. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning service that provides everyone with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. Together with AWS, we have built an inference-optimized solution to deploy transformer model as SageMaker endpoints. Let's get started. We are going to use a SageMaker notebook instance to deploy our model. Using a SageMaker notebook instance is not a requirement to deploy your model. You can also use SageMaker Studio or deploy a model from your local machine. The first step we need to do is to choose a model from the Hugging Face Hub. The Hugging Face Hub offers over 10,000 different models fine-tuned on NLP, vision, and speech. In this example, we want to use a model fine-tuned on question answering. And we also want to be it quick. Therefore, we select the distal bird base cased distal squad model. We copy the model ID and go back to our notebook instance. To be able to deploy a model from the hub to SageMaker, we need to create a Hugging Face model class. This model class contains all the configuration for our hub model as the model ID and our task. In this case, question answering. After that, we can create our Hugging Face model and run the .deploy method. The .deploy method will create our SageMaker endpoint, and we can pass in the initial instance count. Basically, we can define on how many instances we want our endpoint to be deployed and the instance type. In this case, I went with the M5 instance, which is a CPU-based image. The deploy will now create our SageMaker endpoint, which takes around 5 minutes. The endpoint has been successfully deployed to SageMaker and can now be used for inference. The benefit of using the Python SageMaker SDK is that the deploy method automatically returns predictor class, which we can use to request our endpoint with the .predict method. Therefore, we need to define our inputs. In this example, since it's a question answering model, we have our context. My name is Philip and I live in Nuremberg. This model is used with SageMaker for inference, and our question, what is used for inference. And our request has been successfully executed, and the model successfully predicted the correct answer. What is used for inference? It's SageMaker. After you are done testing, requesting your endpoint, you can run predictor.delete endpoint. This will clean up everything on SageMaker and make sure everything is deleted properly. If you want to learn more about Hugging Face on Amazon SageMaker, check out huggingface.co/SageMaker.